All right, good morning, everybody on YouTube, Twitter, and Twitch. Morning, everybody on TikTok. Morning, D Nice. Good morning, PK. Good morning, Annie Apple. That's a cute name. Morning, Dave. Pull up these trades for you on both computers. Oh, very hard. Let me get this one. You can see Bitcoin going up before your very eyes. You can see the current trades, NAS, and all that going up also. This is one account from my other laptop computer that runs. I'm going to be doing Bitcoin trades all the time on those. This is from last night. You can see the times in 529. You can see the amounts. You can see the dollar amount off of an $18,000 account. This is current off of a very small account that I started last week. I really have to do some withdrawals here. I'll do that this afternoon. At any rate, we still have a trade going on NAS and gold. Actually, I'm going to kill that gold one right now. There's no need to keep that open. Anyhow. And yeah, those are my two trades from today. You can see that Bitcoin is skyrocketing upward before your very eyes. And also, NAS, SPX, and all those are buying stops also. Good morning, Gift. Morning, Annie. Morning, Jason. Morning, Strub. Morning, Wayne Bob. Good morning, everybody. All right, so I'm going to pull these back down. You know, let's see, we can leave that there. Okay, so we're just documenting those trades in case you guys are wondering. Now, this is a call out from Monday, well, Sunday night technically. So everything is come through. Sell stops work. Obviously, we're in 5-minute, 15-minute buy stops. So this right here was called out Sunday evening. Still the same call. I'm going to run through all these plus some. So we're going to start with gold. Actually, we'll start with Bitcoin. We'll start with Bitcoin and end up with US30. The Bitcoin's a buy stop, as you can see. Henceforth, why I'm in that trade slightly, just like a lot. I'm going to go ahead and say Bitcoin's 1-minute buy stop has already happened. 5-minute buy stop you're currently in. 15-minute buy stop you're currently in. 30-minute buy stop you're currently in. 30-minute 1 hour buy stop in. 4 hour 4 hour daily sell. Bitcoin daily buy, daily weekly buy, weekly monthly sell, and monthly buy. So that is Bitcoin currently. A little late to get into it, but it's okay. I'd look for any buy stop, 1-minute buy stop on Bitcoin and take it. Be specific. Ethereum also 1-minute buy, a little late, the 5-minute, the 15-minute, the 30-minute, and don't forget Ethereum and Bitcoin always run together. They're like joined at the hip. So what one happens to one happens to the other. Don't want to take exactly what it is. So Ethereum, any 1-minute buy, take. And then there is a 4-hour sell, a daily buy, a weekly sell, and a monthly buy. Ethereum, XRP, where we have XRP. I want to start looking at Amazon close now. Oh, look at 50 cents. Gee, I wonder who called this. 1-minute sell to the blue line, XRP. 5-minute buy, 15-minute was a buy. Look at all that. 30-minute was a buy. 1 hour was a buy. I told you where this was going a while ago. It was a 4 hour to the blue line again. There it is. This was called out back here, back to 424. You'd see that I called this out to the blue line for XRP. And yes, I physically own XRP, long term, HODL. This is XRP. So we're going to hit it. We're going to go up to the blue line. XRP is going to be touched. Yay. Can we get higher? Yes. I suspect we're going to be higher than 58 cents. Actually, if you want to push me on that, I'll tell you that. Daily to the blue line, buy stop. Weekly, sell stop. Monthly, buy stop. I would like to go back to Bitcoin because Bitcoin is supposed to go nothing but down. It was halted. I saw all these other TikTokers saying down, 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 down. It's going to go down. Bitcoin's going down. Bitcoin's horrible going down. And the whole time I'm buying it, making money. So just so I'm not saying there isn't a sell. I'm telling you that the sell isn't yet, and it isn't now. I can tell you when the sell would be. I'd place a sell stop on Bitcoin around 24,480. Somewhere in that, and I would just wait. It's going to come down to here, and that's where Bitcoin's going. Just so you know. But for right now, I'm in a buy, and I'm staying in it until it takes my profit. All right, so that was Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, EUR, 1 minute. Buy stop to the blue line. Let's see if that was called out by the almighty scanner. Oh my God. God is blessed with the best scanner in the history of the world. Yeah. Buy stop 3 to the look at this freaking one. There it is. This is the trade. You should be on nadex.com. You guys probably aren't familiar with that one. Nadex.com. This is the scanner. The scanner stands for all 200 different symbols that we watch, all indices, all Forex pairs, crosses and majors, all major cryptos and all stocks. There's almost 60 stocks it follows. So on the Forex side, you can see right here, there's an EUR/USD buy stop 3 to the blue line. DS3 means to the blue line. It's just not confirmed on the 5 minute. When it's a 1 right here on a 5 minute, it is confirmed. Watch. Look at how that scanner is worth its weight in millions of pounds of gold. Buy stop to the blue line. You would be in 14, 15 pips. I wish I would have been up. Anywho, coulda, woulda, shoulda on that one. You're too late, but the scanner called it out perfectly. It's going to go to the 5 minute blue line. And then this is a 15-minute, 30-minute sell stop. Hold on 1 second. I do have to document one thing. Give me a second right here. Okay, give me just 1 second. Oh, didn't mean to do that. Oh, you can't do a video? Oh, Jesus. Really? Markeith, something on EUR/USD 5 minute. That's what it's showing. This is our time, by the way. And then this is the actual on the 5 EUR/USD. That's all. Oh, we got a new call out here. So this is the time period right here. It's like 5 a.m. or some shit. Anyway, so you should see that. That's what it's showing in the 5 minute. And that's what we're looking at. Obviously. But we'll go over that later. Thank you. Thanks for everything. Okay. All right. I had to take care of something. And we have a new call out, by the way. Let's take a look at this. We have a new call out right here. And I'll give you that one. USD JPY. USD JPY is a buy stop 3. Let's take a look at that one really quick. USD. Right here. It's a 1 minute buy stop. Oh, geez. That is true. That is a 1 minute buy stop to the blue line. That's cute. Not a very good. It's not far away from the blue line, but it is the correct call. So it is. The correct call. Now we're ERUSD 5 minutes, 1 minute, 5 minute to the 5 minute blue line buy stop. ERUSD is a 1 minute buy stop to the 5 minute blue line. Then you're gonna have a 15 minute, 30 minute, 15 minute, 30. I go with 30 minute sell stop. Then you're gonna come back with a oh, it touched this 4 hour blue line. Look at the perfection of the system. This was called out. This trade that you're looking at was called out for the first time right here on. Let me get rid of it. Right here on 5/11, my brother's birthday. So you would have made from here to here 297 pips, 300 pips, or you could play Nadex, got some options on that. Wow. Anyway, hit its blue line, perfection. Daily buy stop, ERUSD. Weekly sell stop, ERUSD to the monthly blue line sell stop. Wow. That was perfection. Absolutely perfect. Love it. UDSF, USD, CHF is just the opposite of ERUSD, always is, always will be. GBB, USD, 1 minute buy stop already. Look at the 5 minute, 15 minute. Go look at that. That is a 30 minute buy stop to the blue line of well, actually, it's going to keep going up to the 30 minute, and then it's going to hit the 1 hour blue line. You can see it clearly. Then there's a 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop on GBP USD. Then there's a daily buy stop on GBP USD, weekly sell stop, weekly, monthly sell stop on GBP USD. GBP JPY, 1 minute buy already happened. To the 5 minute line already happened. Look at this. 15 minute, maybe negative already happened. 30 already. Wow. Where the hell is this thing going? 1 hour, 4 hours. You can't get in this. It's too late. You look for any 1 minute buy stop on this is what I would do. Look at the weekly to the monthly blue line. I've been calling this shit out forever. I've been calling this to the monthly blue line, weekly. I can tell you exactly what. Since January the 1st, I've been calling a buy stop. Go back and watch my YouTube videos. To the blue line, it's going, and it's almost there. Please look at this shit. You don't even want to know how many clicks it would be. So it is a week for any one buy stop to the monthly blue line. Still, it's going to do it. And there it goes. Wow, that is utterly amazing. U.S. oil, that is incredible. Wow. U.S. oil, 1 minute sell stop. You're late. 5 minute sell stop. 15 minutes. Uh, Geez. Uh, 4 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour sell stop. 4 hour sell stop. Fill in the gap to the blue line. That was called out also. Whatever. I'm sick of them. It's going to go down to the weekly blue line. Then it's a weekly, monthly buy stop. So can we get it all the way down to here without all the government buyback bullshit? Oil would be at $63 a barrel. We'll see what kind of scam artificially keeping it up. 1 minute buy stop. This is gold. 1 minute buy. 5 minute, 5 minute, 30 minute sell. 30 minute sell gold. 30 minute sell gold. It's going down to its 1 hour blue line. I've been calling this forever. Not quite there yet. You guys still have time. This is called out the very first time on 5/15. It's going down to the blue line. I told you where gold is going. More close to it. Daily buy gold. So tons of time for that one. Weekly, nothing gold, and nothing on monthly. So it's gold. Let's go back up to SPX. 1 minute. Buy stop. Fill in the gap. SPX. Too far away. I want it to pull back down and come back up. 15 minute. You're already in it. 15 minute buy. 30 minute buy. 4 hour. Look at the 4 hour. Look at the amazing. The system never stuns. It never fails to stun me every freaking morning. NAS, 1 minute buy stop, fill in the gap. 15 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, too far away on the 5 minute. I'll show you what's going to happen. Look at this. Look at this shit. 1 hour buy, 4-hour buy. Look at this. We're up currently in one trade over 480. I closed one yesterday. It would have been almost 1,000 pips up. Are you kidding me? Daily, weekly. I mean, look at it. Look at it. Damn, I should have stayed in that one. Fuck, I should have stayed in that one. All right, anywho, this is what I wanted to do. I want this to trace back to the 5 minute. All right, I'm going to rewrite these out. We're going to rewrite these. These are, well, we hold on. Let me finish up with US30. Then I'll write out exactly how they're going to play. 1 minute buy stop US30 to the 30-minute blue line, like I said. 4-hour sell stop. Yeah, matter of fact, let's drop one in over here. We'll probably drop in a couple. All right, I'll do that a little later too. What is this? Daily buy stop. And that's it. Okay, US30 is 1 hour, so it's a 4-hour sell stop technically now. Let me take this one out of here. All right. 1 minute sell stop to the blade. Yes. So here. I'm going to agree with this exact same thing again. It's going to do it again. Let's see. The last time these formed, 1 minute, 5 minute. We're in a 5 minute, so it was a 15-minute. It was 15 minutes to the blue line buy stop, which was 30 minutes, 30-minute, 30-minute buy stop to the blue line. I would play any. Let me take. We're going to do 1 minute, all three. So we're going to do 1 minute buy stop. Just look for the 1 minute buy stops. And you're in currently from this call. Be clear on this. You're in currently the 5 minute, 15. So you're in 15-minute buy stops, US 30-minute blue line from Sunday night. And that's why I have the one trade open. So that's what you're looking at. This is the buy stop. You're in the money again. US 30. You're in the money when I first started this. You would have made 34 pips, depending on when you entered in here, depending on your entrance right here. That's up to you on that one. I don't know. Another 3-4 pips on this buy stop. So that's what you got. Now, after that, oh boy, look at Bitcoin going up. Let's see Bitcoin now. All right, so where were we? Good morning, Jason. Good morning, Annie. Good morning, Wayne Bob. Good morning, Shrub. Brad. Good morning. Who is this? Stephen. Hey, Kev. Trades was loving this. Looking forward to the week ahead. Awesome, Stephen. Congratulations. Congratulations, Stephen. I should have came out again last night, but we got a lot of shit going on. Gives generation more stuff. Cool. Good morning, everybody on TikTok and YouTube. This is my trades that I'm currently in on the NAS's. I had some US30s open. I closed those. I had a gold open and like a GB something. I had those all open. Those are my current trades on that one. Let's pull this over here and do this one. This is the Bitcoin. Look at Bitcoin. Look at that money. I hope you guys can see that. This is the best I can do on this. It's 2 Bitcoin buys yesterday. Loving the Bitcoin shit. It sucks. The spread is so thick. It's like 60 pips or some shit. But you can kind of know where it's going. It's easy money. Seeing it going up, we might hit 3,000 on this. Get 3,000 this one before we get. I don't know. I don't see anything at all. What the fuck? Come on, Bitcoin, a little engine that could. $2,962. Well, we'll have to go with close enough. Any rate, those are Bitcoin trades. Oh, come on. 2,984. Can you give us 3,000? Really? Fine. 2,984. Any more movement upward? Anywho, you guys get the idea. All right, good enough. Now, what's going on with our thing? Yep, we're good. You're in the money on all those. Okay, so I just called out. I came on to document these trades. I called out over a dozen different symbols. Matter of fact, I want to add Amazon to my call outs. I like Amazon. I own Amazon. I'm dollar cost averaging buy-in on Amazon and uh, um, what do you call it? XRP. So I'm going to pull Amazon into our pool right here. Let me see Amazon. Oh crap! 1 minute sell stop Amazon. 5 minute buy stop Amazon. 30 minute. Look how beautiful that was. What were we up to? 120 on Amazon. Nice. I think we were recommending Amazon buys like in the 90s. Yeah. 90. It was 90. There you go. Amazon. Now I'm kind of useless on my dailies and weeklies on Amazon because they did that split. But if you want to know the truth, I mean, other than the fact of they did the split, if they wouldn't have done the split, I would be very positive with Amazon. But because they did the split, it's very they broke it down because of that split. So all my long-term indicators are now skewed. I can't see after the day or after the 4 hour. So the 4 hour is fine. But anything even after that, that's just horrid. I can't believe it. That split throws off a lot. But if it's going to do anything like it should do, Amazon could be a very good. I would look for any buy stop on Amazon and take that long term. Now, 1 minute, Amazon is a 1 minute sell stop. Probably going to open up where they do that cheat open after hour open and move it down. So, all right, so there's Amazon. So now it's we. I literally just got done calling out gold, Amazon, oil, GBP, JPY, GBP, USD, UHF, URUSD, XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, NAS, SPX, and US30. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Nope, not doing that. We got to add in one more. Let's see, GBP, USD, GBP, JPY. How about we do GBP Chef? We'll do another GBP share. 1 minute, nothing. 5 minute, too late. Too late. 1532 is going to the 1 hour. Hit the 1 hour. Really? I don't like this one. I remember this. I'm not going to call GBP Chef. It's too ugly. I don't like the way it looks. EUR, GBP, JPY. I don't like choppy shit like that. It works, but I'd rather have smoothness. 1 minute, 5 minute sell stop. You're already too late. This was a 5 minute. Yep, look how beautiful. This is EUR, GBP, JPY. 30 minute. 30 minute, nothing. 1 hour. 1 hour, nothing. 4 hour sell stop to the daily blue line. Oh my God. It's a 4 hour sell stop to the blue line and it hit it. It's going to go lower than the way. Daily, it's a weekly buy stop. Weekly buy stop. But it's going to go down. Holy shit. URGBB. Oh, oh, oh. I'd look for any sell stop down to here. This thing, whatever this is, EUR, GBB, Euro, GBB against sell, is 0.81327. Lower. That's where it's going to on the weekly. Anywho, wouldn't be looking for a buy at this moment in time, other if you wanted to go back up to the 5 minute line, arch up and come back down again. So now that's 14 pairs I called out. All right, let's go back up to our big boys and see what we got going on. You're in the money from the time I called it for you on US30, NAS, and SPX. Now, this is what I want them to do overall. I'll write it out for you so you guys don't get confused. Keep playing those buy stops, that's perfectly fine. But this is what I want. I want all three, all USD to go back down to 5 minute over under they're called, but whatever, you guys don't know that yet. Over underline. Um, then buy stop again. So what does that mean? You're to play. So play. If they start to form the 1 minute sell stops, play them. Right? So there still is, and we're still on, and I get it. Don't worry about it. But this is what you need to see happen now. We had all this bullshit come over, come over, come over, come up. I wanted to do this exact thing right here. I'll show you what it should look like when we're done. You want to see this start under, come up, hook, come back down again, and then up again. That's what it's going to do. It's going to form our logo. But in the meantime, if you're in any buy stops, if you're playing anybody, you can take those. I'm just telling you what to look for in the future. People yell at me, "Oh, you're too advanced. You're doing this, you're doing that." Well, I can't help it. It is what it is. I'm just telling you what I see coming. Right now, we're making money. I'm in my buy stops. I understand that. But don't be shocked for 1 second when this starts to pull back to its 5 minute line. Personally, I think it's going to go a little bit more before it does. All right, so there. This is entirely too much. Where do I put this? Up here? I'll put this. Oh, damn. I don't know where to put this where you guys can read this. At any rate, I'll leave it right like that. Come back later. Sorry, that's a bit messy. What do I can't put it up over there because there's no one on TikTok can see it. I guess I'll leave it there and I'll just tell you what pair we're on. All right, so screw SPX. The buy stop on NAS is perfection. This is where we came in at, by the way. And that's right. Here's you. Yeah. Okay. Buy stop 1 minute US30. Buy stop NAS. Buy stop SPX. We're playing it up to the 30 minute on US30. That's where it's going to, and eventually we'll get there. When it gets there, I think before it gets there, actually, you're going to see some 1 minute sell stops form. And then when you see the 1 minute sell stops form to their blue lines, grab them and take them again. That's what I think is going to happen because we're too far away on the 5 minute. Not saying not to play these. This is entirely too far away from NAS. This is 50 pips away. That is highly. I mean, it can keep going up. Play those buy sets, but to me, that's too high. I wouldn't re-enter any more of these buy stops at this point. Look, this is the 15-minute buy tool to get into. This is the one I'm in. This is the one that was previous to that, the one the other day. You can literally see how many pips these are. Take that money and run like the boss. This one currently, matter of fact, I'm moving that up. Okay, this trade right here is 320 pips. Take profit no matter what. We're in the money. And the current one that we're on, I don't care. I'm going to let's see. Bitcoin, beautiful, has called out buy stops, buy stop, in the money, in the money, in the money. Yes, I have Bitcoin trades open. 4 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour weekly, 4 hour sell, daily buy, weekly sell, monthly buy. Currently in a buy. And again, God, I can start showing you that shit again. There you go. I'm going to do Bitcoin buys and sells, period, every time, all the time, so you guys can start seeing Bitcoin. It sucks. I got to pull some money out of that. It sucks because it's with MetaTrader 4 that the spread is so big on Bitcoin, but you can still make money, obviously. But you better know where the fuck it's going, otherwise you'll lose your ass. So please don't play around with Bitcoin if you're not comfortable with it. Make sure you understand it. There's your NAS going up yet again. US30 over here. Right. Buy stop 1 minute US30, by the way. Okay. TikTok. Any questions on TikTok? All right. I'm going to go ahead and go over from TikTok to YouTube. See you guys on TikTok. Have a great morning. See you a little bit later. YouTube. Anybody on YouTube have any questions, comments, or concerns? One at all. These are my NAS trades. I closed down a gold one today. Um, sell US 30. Oh, no. That's what I put in for later. Like, there ain't no way in hell I'm putting a sell on that. NAS is from yesterday. NAS is from 3 days ago. And I closed down and NAS. Look at go up before your very eyes. Yes, you're seeing that correctly. That's a $4,000 trade on a $1,100 account. This account started less than $500. I just let him yank the money out of it. And that's all. I'll yank some money out of him next, probably today, almost for surely. And there's from yesterday, $357, 0.03. This is a 0.09. And if you're talking about account management and risk management, that's all outdated, just like everything you've ever learned as far as trading goes. Whether it's more than 10% of your account value, it's more than 1% of your, like, get out of here. Morons in the news trade. Look at it go up before your very eyes. And that this one is right here, where you'd have been up 29 pips on NAS. You'd have been in and out of your SPX multiple times. That's a 4 pip gain on that one. And US 30 here isn't as pretty, but still up. You were up 20, 30 pips on this one. Another buy, by the way. So there it is. There it is. There's your call. Okay. So I came on to document this, then I gave you 14 additional call outs. Hope you guys enjoy those call outs. Hope they work out for you. The scanner is just freaking amazing. Good day. Good morning. Be nice. Maybe the news will help us. 10 a.m. Help us? The news is a joke. The news does nothing. Temporary spikes up or down. Rarely does it ever flip it. And if it flips it, it just engages higher, meaning it can skip a 5 minute one if the news is severe enough to form a 1 hour one or whatever, but it never. It's always in our one of our plays, one time frame or another. SS1 and BS1. What's up, Con? Look at it go up before your very eyes, by the way. Let's keep watching this and I'll answer your question. Look at it go up before your very eyes. Look at NAS go up before your very eyes. You happen to see, I love NAS. I have nothing against US 30. I'll do it. But NAS is the boy. I only played NAS and ERUSD for a year and a half one time. Literally only played those instantly comfortable. NAS isn't such a huge account when I had smaller accounts, $1,000 account. NAS is such an easy play. Whereas US 30, you better have some very good calls and understand the system perfectly for you. All right, so that's your NAS going up. Just want to make sure we're documenting that. Now, back to what we're looking at on the scanner. You okay? Yeah, I'm just tired, but I'm very much okay. Yes, absolutely. All right, let's take a look. The scanner. Ha ha ha. Wow, utterly freaking amazing. Now he's asking SS1, BS1. Woo! We have a BS3 right here. Let's take a look at it. Boom, baby. And that is a green. And that is a green. And that is a green. And that is a red. And that is a green, green. And that is going to the blue line. That is a correct call. Thing of beauty. All right, now back to what you're asking. BS1s take an advice when it's an SS1 or a BS1 con. Um, when there is a when there is a BS1 or SS1, that means it already takes into account. You're not listening. The scanner is trading for the millionth time 1 minute, 5 minute perfect safety trades according to our rules, meaning it's taking into account the 5 minute chart. And if it's perfect, it'll be an SS1. If it's not perfect, it'll be an SS3 like US oil, meaning the 1 minute's perfect, but the 5 minute is off. When it's an SS1, the 1 minute is perfect and the 5 minute is perfect. It's trading both time frames and not time frames. You only confirm it with the 5 minute. So the scanner is trading 1 minute, 5 minute trades when it says SS1 on the 1 minute. I don't think you guys understand the power of what I'm saying for the 50th millionth time. The SS1 means the computer, the EA, this scanner, this AI, artificial intelligence, EA, right? This thing is actually trading the 1 minute, 5 minute, or the 5 minute, 15 minute, or the 15 minute, 30 minute, or the 1 hour, 4 hour, or the daily, week, or the weekly, monthly. It's taking consideration one higher time frame as if you were supposed to do it and telling you, is it perfect? It's an SS1. Is it not perfect on the higher time frame that is an SS3 or a BS3? Unbelievable. I don't give a fuck when the news comes out. I don't care. News means shit. News is built into our system, and it literally means shit. News is the biggest scam, scare artist thing. It's bullshit. I don't give a shit. When it comes out, it's built into our system. I don't give a fuck. So to be clear, I don't care what that is. It's built into the system. Nothing matters. The news doesn't control anything. The charts control the news. Had to go over that with a family member just again this past weekend. Some habits are hard to break for certain people. So, with the scanner, SS1s, SS3s, BS1s, or BS3s are all trades to the blue line. When you see an SS1 or a BS1, that means both the 1 minute and the 5 minute align, or the lower and higher time frame. That's it. You do not check more than one time frame up ever. Good morning, Stephen. All right. So, anybody else have any other questions? How beautiful. Oh, beautiful. Oh, 'tis a wow. Just keep making money. All right. No one else has any questions for me on YouTube, so I'm gonna go ahead and hit it. I'll be back on again in about 3 hours or so. About 3 hours. About 3. Oh God. What's up, Martin? Good morning. And no, it is not. I'm not dealing with the times. I really think that reminds me too. Let me ask Keith. The times on the scanners all depend on which scanner we're using, on which VPS we're using. We have some servers in Denver, some in New York. Um, I think there's a couple others too that we have. So it depends on which one is used. So no, that is not the time. Yeah, you'll have to rewatch it, Bob, Wayne Bob. Were you saying SS3? They're on the scanners, SS3. Just watch the scanner training videos, Wayne. I've literally done about okay, three, four, five of them now at this point. Page marker if you want to scanner. Yes, page in your type form what to do. Yes, you'd email us. Correct. Morning, Andrew. All right, guys, I'm out of here. I can't stick around any longer. Gotta go. Too many other things to do. All right. I'll see you guys about 9. Talk to you later. God bless. Da-da-dee, da-da-da. Well, that was great. Kicked ass this morning. Yeah. Da da dee, da da doo, da 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 da.